Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of What is series. In this series, you will be gaining basic knowledge of automotive. My main purpose of this series is to provide you with automotive knowledge. Whether you are a student, working professional, I will be explaining in very simple language so that you can easily understand what I am saying in this video. So if you are having any doubts, please mention in the comments below. I will be very happy to answer you. Let's start. In this video, I will be explaining carburetor versus fuel injection. What is carburetor? Function of carburetor. What is fuel injection? Difference between carburetor and fuel injection. Advantages of fuel injection over carburetor. Fuel injection and BS6. Durability and reliability of fuel injection technology. Carburetor is called carb in short. It is used only in internal combustion engines. Carburetor is a mechanical device which supply air fuel mixture to the engine. Air fuel mixture is set manually into the carburetor. Ideal air fuel ratio is 14.7 is to 1, that is 14.7 grams of air is required to burn 1 gram of fuel. Air fuel requirement will vary according to the driving condition in internal combustion engines. Functions of carburetor. When a piston goes down, intake valve is opened, creating a suction inside the carburetor. The air fuel mixture is sucked from the carburetor and goes into the engine. So the carburetor here does the job of mixing the air fuel mixture in a desired or preset ratio. We can adjust the air fuel ratio according to our driving conditions. In normal driving conditions, ideal mixture is 14.7 is to 1. There will be different screws to adjust the air and fuel ratios. What is fuel injection? Fuel injection is called EFI, electronic fuel injection. It is an electronic system used to supply fuel to the engine. It is controlled by the computer called ECU, engine control unit. When air is sucked into the engine, computer signals the fuel injector to inject the fuel. Depending upon driving condition and requirement, it will function accordingly. Difference between carburetor and fuel injection. Carburetor is a totally mechanical device, whereas EFI is an electronic device run by the ECU. Air fuel mixture is adjusted manually in carburetor, whereas in EFI, air fuel ratio is controlled by the ECU automatically. Air fuel mixture is sometimes irregular and accuracy is less in the carb. In EFI, every gram of air and fuel is measured and mixed to inject into the engine. Advantages of fuel injection over carburetor. Fuel supply to the engine is uniform and accurate, resulting better mileage in fuel injection. No morning start or cold starting problems as fuel is injected as soon as you press the self button. No choke in EFI as there is no requirement of periodic cleaning and adjustments in as carburetor. Better smoothness and pickup will be there in fuel injection. Fuel injection and BS6. According to BS6 norms, pollution output from vehicles should be lesser as compared to those of BS4 vehicles. So, with the use of EFI technology, we can meet these norms better than use of carburetor technology. With EFI technology, fuel is burned completely. Emissions will be less as only required amount of fuel is injected into the engine. So there will be less carbon deposits into the engine. Durability and reliability of fuel injection technology. EFI does not require that much periodic maintenance as it was required in the carburetors. This technology was introduced in back in cars in 1990s, and it was proven very successful and reliable. So reduced engine wear is also an advantage as engine will be running smooth no matter after how long you start or at what temperature you start the engine. So it will be fine, no problem. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please mention below in the comments. So click to subscribe. Stay connected. Thank you.